Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to talk to you about Paykickstart. Now Paykickstart is an affiliate network that allows you to promote other people's product and actually make a commission. Now it's a really good network, and it's not one of the bigger ones like Warrior Plus or ClickBank or something like JVZoo, but there is some really good products on this network to promote, and to be honest it's the one that I use most often. So during the video, if you're a complete beginner, I'm going to show you how to go and find offers, how to get affiliate links, and then I'm going to show you how I actually promote these in my own business and how I use the power of YouTube and landing pages to actually get commissions from these products. So guys, if you're interested in learning how to build a business online, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And if you want to grab our free 12-step action plan, you'll find it in the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and you can get started straight away. So let's go jump straight into Paykickstart, and I'm going to show you how to find some great offers to promote. Okay, so jumped over to the Paykickstart site. Now this is paykickstart.com, and you'll see that there's lots and lots of different functionality on here. Now, main aim of Paykickstart is a place where vendors can come along and manage all aspects of selling goods and services online. And it's a very comprehensive marketplace, and they have all of the tools that they would need to manage things like subscriptions, affiliates, and obviously the various types of payments that they could accept for their goods and services. But for us, we're going to be affiliates. So you can come along here and you can look at some of these various resources they've got. And if you wanted to be a seller on Paykickstart, you would go through these in a lot of detail so you understand exactly what the platform does for you. As an affiliate, we're going to do something slightly different. I want you to scroll right to the bottom of this page, and then where it says free affiliate sign up, I want you to go ahead and click that and then log on, and then create a membership for the affiliate site. Now you'll need to put details like your name, address, all of the usual types of details in there, and also payment information in there to tell the system how you want to be paid when you start making a commission. Now I've obviously already got an account on here, so I'm just going to go ahead and sign in, and then you'll be met with this dashboard. Now this is the first dashboard you see whenever you come into a network like this, and this is just my last kind of month's commissions so far. And what you'll see here is these are your commissions that you've made so far within that month. Up here on the right hand side there is a date, so you can adjust this date to add more months, so you can do all time, whatever you want to do as far as looking at what type of commissions you're making. And there's more details here about the number of units you sold, how many refunds you've had, what the kind of payment frequency is on various things that you're selling, and then the different types of products that are performing well for you. Now the other thing you have is on the actual commissions here, you'll see a list of all of the different commissions that you get in, so it's very detailed. You can understand exactly where your commissions are coming from. Then you have affiliate links. Now these are the links that you have applied for with the vendor, and you can go ahead and promote, and this is where you would actually get those links. So I got things with Adam Payne, Carl Schukert, Mark Thompson, Philip Barrowman, which is actually my mentor, and I actually promote a lot of things for Philip because I know they're very high quality. And obviously Nick Nimmin is a really big deal on YouTube. So there's one here for tuber tools. Now I'm going to show you how to find these vendors, and then how to look at the various products they've got that you can go ahead and promote. But this is where you would actually find your links. So if I go up to, say, Adam's one here for the conversion point, this is actually the example I'm going to give you of how you actually go ahead and promote these, but that is the affiliate link that I would use. Now if I just click on this and I just show you, once I hit that link, or anybody else hits this link, you would come over to their product, and then if they go ahead and purchase that product, you would get a commission. So it's very easy to get your links, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. The next thing down is your marketing. Now, if you have specific products that you want to go ahead and promote, you can add various things into the communication that comes from those products. So if I go ahead and select Adam as a vendor again, I go to next step, I can actually use this to find my affiliate links. So I'm going to say the conversion point first. I have various funnels here that I can go ahead and promote. If there was different funnels here, it would give me different links. And then I can go ahead and select that link. Now that would be his main link. Now what you can also do here, which is slightly more advanced, and if you're a beginner you wouldn't really worry about this too much, but I will actually make a video in the future that shows you how to add a bonus to Paykickstart. What you can do is you can actually tell the system where your bonuses are so that they can go ahead and be delivered automatically in the email that people get when they purchase this product. So it's very, very easy to kind of build in your bonuses. And then they've got various other things, such as they provide affiliate material that you can go ahead and use. Now this one is a banner that you can use, and there could be various other pieces of material here depending on how much the vendor has actually put in to the system for you to use. So this is what you would get in the marketing piece, and then you've got various reporting. You can report your sales. You can go ahead and report various funnels if you have any funnels on here. So these are my various funnels at the moment: taking action online, videos, simple traffic blueprint, the conversion point one is there, and it gives you additional detail about how much these funnels are actually making you. You have some traffic here, tells you how many visits you get into your various offers. Again, lots and lots of detail here if you were going to do some analysis. You have some referral traffic here, and then you have your payouts here, and this shows how much you're actually getting paid out by various vendors. So it's all very, very comprehensive. Now if you were first starting, what you would do is come up here, and where this has this little shop, you press on this, and this is where you go ahead and find your various products. Now this is kind of a huge list, and if you wanted it to filter here, you can look at products by category. You can look at it by vendor if you have a particular vendor you like to promote. You can look at it by language, and then you can look at it by payment type, whether it's a one-time or a recurring payment type. So now let me look at it by category. I want to just look at internet marketing and e-commerce. Now one kind of drawback is it doesn't give you an overall description of what the products are. So the best way to do it is to come along here and look at the various links that you can get. So let's have a look at this easy video sales link, and you can look at these links to see what the product's actually all about. So I copy this and have a look at it. This would be the product that I'm actually promoting. So this is obviously a video sales letter, and it's a way that you can go ahead and create small explainer videos for your audience, and you can go through this sales page and get a good understanding of what this product is actually all about. So once you've done that, you really want to see more information about this product. Now you can do one of a number of things. You can go ahead and reach out to the vendor themselves and ask for review access to the product, and if you've got some kind of history on Paykickstart, then they're likely to give you some form of demo or review access. The second thing you can do is obviously buy the product, because if you're promoting the product, you'll want to know exactly what it's all about. So if you can afford to buy the product, you can buy the product. And the third thing you can do is actually go ahead, and it's a little bit of a trick. Go into Google and type something like Easy VSL JV. Now if you can see here, I've already done it on here, Easy VSL stroke JV. And what will happen is it'll bring up the JV pages, because many of these products may have been released on different networks, or once they were first actually launched, they have a JV page for their affiliates to actually view. So you can come along here. If you can't see it on Paykickstart, come along and have a look on Google, and you will see there'll be a JV page here, and it'll have swipes and banners. There'll be a demo about the product here, and then look here, you can see the actual links back to Paykickstart to get your links. So this is a really useful way to get more information about the product, because you want to go ahead and promote this in a number of ways. Either you're going to do articles, social media posts, or videos that actually review this product. So to be able to review a product, you need to be able to see inside the product. The second thing you can do is you may have a blog or a YouTube channel that's based around videos and making of videos, and you can do how-to videos about making certain types of videos, and this could be something you link to because it's related to your overall channel. So there's various ways that you can actually go ahead and promote this. Now I'm going to show you the way that I actually promote various products on YouTube using exactly those methods. So the first thing we'll do is just jump over to my Funalytics, and I want to show you what my business actually looks like at a slightly higher level. So I have a channel on YouTube. Now what I do is I do various videos just like this one of how-to videos or specific review videos about certain products. Now on my channel I review all types of products, so some of the reviews aren't good because I like to be honest and tell you exactly what I think about the product, but some of the products I do like and I actually promote. So what I do is I do the video, and then in the description below there'll be a link, and in that link will take you over to some form of review page. It could be an opt-in page or it could be a bonus page. It all depends what I've decided to do as far as promoting a particular product. Now sometimes I will connect straight over to the actual product itself. If it's launching, I tend to do that early on. But then once it becomes more evergreen, I start to put things like a review page together or an opt-in page together so that I can start to capture customers' emails and be able to communicate with them on an ongoing basis. So it's a different way that I do it, but essentially all of the traffic is coming from YouTube over to my review or opt-in page. Now, once they go to the opt-in page or the bonus page and look at the bonuses, if they do like the look of the product, they go through and hit the actual link within that page that takes them over to the Paykickstart product, and then they may go ahead and purchase the product. Now if they do, and I have actually got bonuses, what I do is I send them an email with a link to my bonuses. They opt into the bonus page and then they collect their bonuses. So this is a very simple way that you can set up your system, and I will actually leave some videos below in the description that actually describes in a lot more detail exactly how I go about and set all of this up. But essentially this is what you're seeing when you come over to my channel and look at any of my videos, right? Now, I don't actually promote in every single video I do. A lot of the videos like this one, I'm not actually promoting a specific product. In this video, actually, I'm giving away a free resource that actually shows you how to go ahead and set these types of funnels up. But if I do decide to do a review where I do like a product, this is what the actual funnel looks like. So let me show you YouTube, and I'll give you a quick look at my channel, and we'll have a look at some of the examples of Paykickstart products that I promoted using this method. So guys, this is my channel, The School of Nomads. Now, if you haven't been over to The School of Nomads before, please go ahead and hit that subscribe and that notification bell so you'll know whenever I bring out new videos. But these are the types of videos I do. Now, a lot of these are kind of how-to videos around things like JVZoo or Warrior Plus. And they talk about affiliate marketing and how people who are beginners can start off actually with affiliate marketing online. Now, there is the odd review as well that I do as certain products come out. Now, this is one that I showed you in the example called the conversion point. Now, if I just click on the conversion point, I'll actually pause the video before it starts. Now, this conversion point is actually a really, really good product that helps you get started with email marketing, and it's very, very in-depth. And I really liked it, right? So what I did is I put together a little bonus for it. So here's the video. Now the video is 18 minutes long, and I take people through the whole product in a lot of detail. Pretty simple to do once you get started. All you need to do is have some kind of screen capture software and do exactly that I am doing now and just talking on screen. And then when you come down here, all you need to do is put a link back to your bonus pages or your opt-in pages that people can go ahead and click on. So I mentioned in the video, go ahead and look at the description. They come over here, they click on this link. Now this is my bonus page that I put together on the conversion point. Here's just a video that shows people the review again, links over to the actual product, and then I have my bonuses here. And in this case, there was some interactive checklists, YouTube SEO kit, and some email promotion automation videos that I put together, and they're always very relevant to the actual product itself. Then if they go ahead and click this link, then they come over to the conversion point page again, and you can see that if they go ahead and purchase this, I'll actually make a commission. So that's the way that I actually put this together. So I have my YouTube channel here, lots and lots of different videos, not all good. I don't promote everything that I review, but you got to be consistent and you got to make sure you're being honest and people will trust you. And you got lots of different how-to type videos on here, and then you have the reviews of the products that you like. And Paykickstart is one of my favorite networks to actually use. So guys, I hope you found that useful. Now, Paykickstart is really one of my favorite networks that I actually promote with. You can start completely for free. All you need to do is go ahead and click the link in the description below, grab the 12-step action plan, and then you can get started straight away. That'll explain to you how you can actually start building up your business with things like YouTube to drive traffic over to your offers. So it's a really, really good resource, and I really would recommend that you pick that up. If you haven't been over to our channel before, don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell so I can tell you whenever I release new videos. And until next time, guys, take care.